Are you looking for something that can help you to stop hair fall and thicken your hair naturally? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this simple hair tea you can use on your hair. So keep watching and enjoy the video. Now to prepare the treatment, we will be needing a few ingredients. And the first one will be onion peels. These are the onion peels I will be using. I have been keeping these for long. Every time I use an onion when cooking, I don't like to throw the onion peels away. I always like to keep them and use them later to make hair treatment, and they are really amazing and beneficial for our hair and scalp. If you are struggling with hair thinning, bald spot, and if you are looking for something that can help to reverse those problems and also treat scalp issues like dandruff and flakes, then definitely you would want to try onion peels. So the next ingredient we have is hibiscus. Hibiscus are really powerful and effective. These have been used for centuries to treat various hair problems like alopecia, baldness, and hair thinning. So hibiscus are also amazing because they help to condition the hair, providing softness and good moisture and health of your hair. So I have been using hibiscus, and most of the time I like to include them to my hair care regimen, and they are really wonderful. We will also be needing moringa leaves. You can also use fresh moringa leaves. These are the dried leaves I'm using. I just reduce them into small pieces. Um, if you also have powder you can use instead of leaves, just feel free to use whatever you have. Moringa is amazing for increasing hair thickness. I have been using moringa for many times, both in my hair growth oil and sprays, and this has really helped me to grow my hair. It is one of my herbs I don't like to skip every time I'm making my hair treatment. So right now I'm gonna grab myself a pot and transfer all the ingredients in there, starting off with onion peels. I'm just going to add a few hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus really is rich in color and nutrients, so just a few flowers will be enough for me. I will be using like 2 teaspoons of moringa leaves. You can also use any measurement of your choice. There is no any really a specific measurement. Just I'm using the measurement that I see will be enough for the treatment I will be making. And now I'm adding some water, like 1 cup. I'm gonna give a little stir and I will proceed, cover and transfer to a stove. Allow this mixture to simmer for about 10 minutes. I'm not going to cook this for more than 10 minutes because if you cook for long, you will destroy the important nutrients. So once it's ready, go ahead and remove from heat and allow it to cool down. As you can see, mine is already cooled down, so I'm just going to strain out. I'll be using a strainer to strain out and get the liquid treatment which I am interested in. So guys, if you are new to this channel and yet you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel and also like this video and share. Also, if this is the kind of content you would love to watch, go ahead and hit that bell notification so you will always be notified every time I upload a new video. So I strained out the liquid treatment, and now I'm transferring to the spray bottle so I can proceed and apply on my hair. So this is how my hair looks right now. It is really tangled. I have been having this twist for 1 month. This is the 4th week and it's ready for me to take them down. My hair looks kinda short because it is shrunk, and so what I'm going to do first, I will be using this spray to um, moisturize my hair or hydrate it before I even think of taking them down because they are really tangled. So today is my wash day, so that's why I'm using this spray to first moisturize my hair. I hydrate it and make sure that it is soft before I even think of taking down. So um this spray is amazing. You can use it in different ways. For me, I like to use it as a leave-in spray. So just today I'm using it as just to hydrate my hair before I proceed with the other steps. But I will do that off the camera because my hair is really tangled and it needs a lot of care. So using this as a leave-in will help to grow your hair, especially if you have bald patches and you have scalp issues. You want to grow your hair extremely thick. This spray will definitely do that. So if you are not okay with the onion smell, you can just use it as a rinse off, apply it to your hair, and then cover it with a shower cap, and then rinse after with a shampoo after that to 1 hour. So as you can see, my spray bottle wasn't working well, so I had to transfer the spray to another applicator bottle. And yeah, so this spray is really beneficial for our scalp and hair. Like I said earlier, if you're not comfortable with the onion smell, just use it as a rinse off. Apply it and wait for like 30 minutes or 1 hour and rinse it off. You can also add something like essential oils to get rid of the smell. That's how I like to use it. When I use it as a leave-in, I add um, essential oils. So if you use this continuously, you are going to see visible results in a short period of time. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.